Hey, take a look at this. Here's a screenshot of $869.51 per day that we're making using our simple, never released to the public loophole. And once we activate this loophole, the money just keeps coming with just a few minutes each day. We were able to do this in our spare time without a website, without an email list, without buying ads, without any prior experience. And it only takes a few minutes per day to activate this simple loophole that pays us $48.54 over and over again for translating any text or document from one language to another and also generating voiceovers with any text or document. It's that simple. And it requires a small amount of time. We're effectively getting paid $48.54 every single time we do this. And if we want to scale this up and make even more money, we just rinse and repeat this simple loophole as many times as we want. How would you like to do this too? If you answered yes, you're in the right place. Because today, we're going to reveal how you can get in on this and follow in our footsteps. No technical knowledge or experience is needed. No need for knowing any language whatsoever. No need for recording your voice. All we're doing is simply translating any text or document from one language to another and generating voiceovers with any text or document using the software. Introducing TranslatePro. TranslatePro is the world's first system that pays for translating any text or document from one language to another and also generating voiceovers with any text or document with your hands on TranslatePro now. Click the button below now to lock in your discount and claim your bonuses before the price goes up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the MikeMbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, info products, and generally anything that will help you make money online. Today I have another software review for you of a product called TranslatePro, and this one is being launched by the affiliate super vendor FA Good Luck. And this one is going live on the 31st of August 2022 at exactly 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time for you, which is GMT 4 p.m. and 3 p.m. and of course Central European time 4 p.m. And in a nutshell, this is a software that is going to help you translate and generate voiceovers using your computer or your phone or any of the devices like a tablet, so that you can generate translated messages or texts and generate voiceovers with this. And of course, this is monetized to actually make money for you. If this is a product you are going to require, I will encourage you to use the first link below in my description area. That link will definitely bring you to the amazing bonus page of mine, which is this. And here you have access to this very TranslatePro using this link or any of the other yellow links scattered all over my bonus page. When you click any of them, they will take you to the sales page where you click this one to buy now, or any of the other yellow links also scattered all over this very sales page, and a copy of that will be yours. If you stick with me, I will show you this very sales page and of course show you the amazing bonuses that I have gathered for you, which are mind-blowing, and of course be able to show you the second page of my bonuses, which is loaded too, and of course you'll be able to grab a copy of this, making up your mind to buy from me. Okay, so with that said, let us go further into the definition of TranslatePro. TranslatePro is the world's first system that pays for translating any text or document from one language to another and also generating voiceovers with any text or document. They said it is that simple. This thing is loaded with everything needed to finally get results and make 2022 the best year ever. And of course, it's loaded with these capabilities. No experience is required. Definitely, you'll be able to do some work there. I will not tell you lies. This experience is not needed, but you are going to follow copy and paste method to actually get the training you need to make this work. And of course, you work with over 100 different languages. And of course, this will generate natural sounding voiceovers with any text and over 900 natural male and female voices to choose from, and no extra fees whatsoever. This is what Good Luck FA is saying, and of course that will take us to the amazing pricing for this very one. The TranslatePro front end price goes for $19, and I think you will be able to have a discount of some sort if eventually you get to the sales page. The original price is $19 for the front end. But if you go to the very sales page, there will be a pop-up coupon that will come from there, which will be able to give you access to actually get information you need there. Okay, so this is not what we want. Okay, yeah, so when you come to this very this is this coupon I'm talking about, you have $2 discount given it for you for instead of $16. Originally it was $19 there. $16 you have discount of $2, you have it for $14. Okay, that's right, that's good. So now with that said, let us go to the very OTO number 1, which is the TranslatePro Unlimited. It goes for downsell of $27, and this will create unlimited translations for unlimited languages and generate unlimited voiceovers with unlimited natural human voices. Okay, and of course that means you have unlimited income potential. OTO number 2 will be the translate. This one is normally advisable to get when you get the front end, so that you cover every limitations you have on the front end. Now OTO number 2 will be TranslatePro Profit System. It goes for $47, and OTO number 3 will be TranslatePro Done For You Business Setup. It goes for $147. This one will be they will set up the team will set up your translation and voiceover agency business so that you can start generating profits instantly. That means you can have your own store on Fiverr or any of the other marketplaces. Okay, so that's amazing. OTO number 4 will be the multiplier, which goes for $37. Here you use TranslatePro Profit Multiplier to get unlimited paying clients for uncapped profits. Now OTO number 5 will be Done For You Agency Bundle. It goes for $27. Okay, OTO number 6 will be TranslatePro Unlimited Franchise License. It goes for $147. Here you get unlimited franchise licenses to sell TranslatePro and keep 100% of the profit for the entire funnel, and of course make this completely turnkey. Their professional team handles all support and updates for you. Okay, so that's how you go with that one, and it has 30-day money back guarantee. Like I said before, any of these links will take you to the sales page where you are going to get a $2 discount on the original price of this, and that will be another incentive to get you this one. Okay, now with that said, let us actually see the amazing bonuses that I have for you. My first bonus is the mega bonus. I call it the ultimate bonus. Okay, and it's the commission toolbox. It has over 1,000 tools, digital marketing tools, online capability tools that you are going to need to actually do basically everything you want, including shortening your URL links, including backlinks. Every tool you need to actually make life easier for you online is loaded here. That is what you have, over 1,000 of them. Now the bonus number 2 will be the premium bonus, which gives you 17 bonuses in one link. That means you have 17 softwares and training courses that will give you amazing benefits. Of course, you know what that means. Now OTO bonus number 3 will be 0 to 1,000 per day on autopilot, which means you can automate this voiceover system that you have with TranslatePro and be able to use that to monetize a system that is going to help you make money, and this very hack will give you that training. My bonus number 4 will be how to rank any site whatsoever on page number 1 on Google, and you know what that means. That means you have visibilities and you have more possibilities of getting the conversions and clicks you need to actually make money online. So that's why it's very, very necessary. This one, whatever you do, this very one is a training you must get to know. My bonus number 5 will be how to create a free professional website so that you will be able to sell on Fiverr, and of course complement the license you have with TranslatePro so that you have everything packaged. Imagine having a store where you create professional websites and be able to use this very TranslatePro as a product to advertise and make money there. Now that's my bonus number, I believe number 5, which is the last one. Like I told you before, if you click any of this, they will take you to the sales page where you get this $2 discount. When that is done, you definitely be driven to my Warrior Plus account where you purchase this product. After purchase, under your purchase history, you will find 2 buttons. This green one will give you access to your purchase, which is TranslatePro, and here you have this blue one giving you access to these amazing bonuses. Now I also have a second page of bonus that I'm going to show you, which are made up of amazing software and training courses. I mean, You can't get it anywhere else. This is Latitude, a unique and beginner-friendly spin on push-button profits, and of course that will help you definitely begin to make money using the NFTs. Okay. Bonus number 2 will be TweetX, which is another crazy bot system that is going to be there as Chrome extension that will siphon traffic from Twitter behind the scenes, and you will be able to drive traffic to any offer of your choice using Twitter as a platform. Now, bonus number 3 will be how to master Facebook ads for affiliate marketing, which is called Insurgency. An amazing training course that will give you that capability. Knowledge is power, and this very capability you can put out there and work for yourself on Fiverr. Now, my bonus number 4 on this page will be Lazy Traffic Sniper, which will give you access to how to make free buyer traffic possible. Okay, traffic is everything, and getting free buyer traffic free with this very training is one thing you may not like to miss. Now, bonus number 5 will be the JavaScript Commission Bot, which is a bot system that is going to help you make 4 figures on daily basis, because it is automated in a way to actually showcase what you offer, and this will get you clicks that will make you money on daily basis up to 4 figure. Okay. Bonus number 6, which is the last one, will be the Lockdown Formula, which is an amazing training course that will tell you how to start and scale digital marketing from beginning to 10,000 per month on, of course, mostly on autopilot. And of course, this is a crazy one that I believe every human being who is intending to make money online should have. Okay. Now, that takes care of my amazing bonuses. You can see you have over 1,030 capabilities in the name of software and training courses, and of course digital marketing tools. So you have no excuse not to get this very one for yourself. Now, with that said, let us see the amazing sales page. Unfortunately, I have no access yet to the very members area, the software itself. Excuse me for that. I asked for that, and up to now I have not gotten it. So I went ahead, of course, to do my video, and now this is where we come to the sales page so that we can wrap this one up. And of course, at your convenience, you will be able to visit the sales page. When you click the link on my bonus page, it will drive you here, and you can read for yourself all the testimonials, all the income proofs, and all the capabilities you have. Imagine being able to translate, be a translator on Fiverr or marketplaces like Fiverr. Imagine being able to have a stall there where you make these things at your own price. This is going to give you the license rights to even sell the product. So I think I like this one. I like this one. It's very, very timely, and of course it's going to help so that you have natives be able to, get information in their own languages. So that's basically a good one as long as I am concerned. I will leave it to that so that at your time you will be able to go through it. Now we are definitely going to be able to wrap up with this very review. If you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to like, subscribe to my channel, of course welcome to my channel, and use the bell button to get notified as to whenever I upload any content on my channel, so that you will be the first person to grab the notice. Now, this is where we are going to end this amazing TranslatePro review. With that said, I'll come back to you in my next review. Till then, this is your Mike of the MikeMbadiwe.com coming to you as always from here, and from me, from here, it's goodbye.